Welcome to the Daily Habit channel, where we give you the most comprehensive predictions for the day. This is your horoscope and tarot card reading for November 8, 2019 Friday. For love, for wealth, and for welfare. If you want to have your personalized predictions, please leave your birth date and year on the comments section down below. We have uploaded our predictions for the week of November 4th to 10, and for the month of November, please do watch them. Also, if you want to be part of our growing community, please make it a daily habit to visit our channel. Come on, let us listen to your prediction. Let us start with our tarot card for the day. Our guiding card for the day is the Emperor. Think of someone you admire. If that person is responsible, decisive, and clear in their thinking and action, they have much in common with the Emperor. That person may not be a nurturer by nature, but they make up for it with their ability to plan, structure, and delegate. And the world is better for it. Of course, the Emperor's rigidity may not always be in order. While his scepter and stern eye may gleam as though he has everything under control, the confining foliage beneath him indicates that too much structure can rob us of our lust for life. Now, let us combine this knowledge with our daily horoscope. Let's start. Aries. March 21st to April 19. Your inability to show your feelings and desires will cause some tension today. For love, words can be very harmful when used incorrectly. Think twice before you say anything. For wealth, you will need to constantly fight distractions at work today. Do not lose patience. For welfare, do not incorporate bad habits to your life. For some reason, these are more easily incorporated. Stick to your values and principles. Aries, your lucky numbers for today are 11, 16, 17, 24, 35, and 39. Taurus. April 20th to May 20th. You will be able to evolve emotionally and intellectually starting today. Reconsider some of your attitudes towards life. For love, you will feel your relationship with your partner unfold positively day after day. Enjoy the moment. For wealth, you will need to focus your attention on work activities today, but you will be able to fulfill them easily. For welfare, the stress created by a categorical and cruel reality can make us behave silly sometimes. This only intensifies worldly situations. Taurus, your lucky numbers for today are 13, 21, 29, 49, 53, and 56. Gemini. May 21st to June 20th. You will not always manage to find a solution to your problems. Find strength of character inside you to act when required by the situation. For love, you and your partner will finally understand each other after a long period of constant discussion. Better days are on the way. For wealth, you will find a way to reduce the time you invest in working activities. Make the most of it. For welfare, life changes are inevitable. Some are positive, some are negative, but they are all important. Do not be afraid of change. Gemini, your lucky numbers for today are 2, 15, 35, 40, 47, and 59. Cancer. June 21st to July 22nd. Today, you will give your loved ones comfort and help. Try to give the best of you. For love, do not allow insecurities in your relationship. Make sure you destroy any fears that may appear. For wealth, do not let paranoia control your entire life. You will need to learn to be part of a team to reach success at work. For welfare, do not expect perfection in the person you have chosen to share your life with. Your partner is only human. Value all the small things that make your partner unique. Cancer, your lucky numbers for today are 24, 25, 27, 57, 59, and 60. Leo. July 23rd to August 22nd. Do not let yourself be forced into humiliating activities. Keep your head up and keep away from bad influences. For love, your partner's support will be unconditional and will help you overcome the work situation you are currently going through. For wealth, do not be afraid of standing up for your convictions at work, even if that generates unfriendliness. Do not be afraid of competence. For welfare, you will take up old habits that have an effect on you. You will experience feelings you had not felt for some time. Include them in your routine. Leo, your lucky numbers for today are 8, 23, 36, 40, 42, and 54. Virgo. August 23rd to September 22nd. You will need to start a course of action towards becoming an emotionally better person. You are facing great consequences unless you do this. For love, there are certain aspects of your personality that are really hard to change. Today, you will find the strength to do it. For wealth, try not to make any installment purchases. Right now, you need to put off any credit purchases of all kinds. For welfare, you cannot live out of dreams. Life is a process of change and the desire to get somewhere. Set some goals and try to achieve them. Virgo, your lucky numbers for today are 2, 18, 27, 42, 55, and 59. Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd. Today, you will feel complimented by your partner's personality. There will be a tendency to make the same mistakes you always do. For love, the temptation of cheating is always common to both parties in a relationship. Only love can help you overcome that aspect. For wealth, be careful with the people you choose to protect. Make sure they are worth your trust. For welfare, enjoy all the things that move you. Do not be affected by everyone's opinions or the way they consider you. Libra, your lucky numbers for today are 2, 13, 31, 49, 50, and 51. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st. Intolerance and grudge are starting to take down everything you've worked for. Do not let that happen. For love, you will have a crappy mood all day. Talk about it with your partner in order to prevent unnecessary discussions and conflicts. For wealth, there are times when you will not be able to resolve issues in the same way, especially when dealing with people. For welfare, defend your views to the bitter end but be mature enough to accept defeat if it came to it. Scorpio, your lucky numbers for today are 16, 23, 31, 36, 43, and 45. Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st. Try not to lose control when talking to your family. Give them one last chance to reach an agreement. For love, you will start a positive emotional phase. This will reinforce recently worn-out relationships. Make the most of it. For wealth, you will need to make things clear for your subordinates. Show them you are not weak. For welfare, do not give up only because the situation in your relationship has become difficult, especially bearing in mind everything you have invested in your partner. Keep on. Sagittarius, your lucky numbers for today are 16, 22, 25, 30, 51, and 60. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th. Today, some of the situations you will have to face will take you to a limit and you will know just how tolerant you are to others. For love, today is a day of discovery in your relationship. You will be able to see some characteristics of your partner that had been hidden to you. For wealth, do not put off your responsibilities. Try to make the most of every moment you get today. For welfare, try to seize the opportunities that are presented to you. Be alert and you will have success knock on your door. Capricorn, your lucky numbers for today are 5, 6, 15, 39, 40, and 59. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. You will be forced to change your concepts on certain aspects of your life. This will make you rethink deeply your life. For love, do not offer eternal love unless you are willing to give that. Be careful with the feelings of those around you. For wealth, do not let the tensions created by stress at work affect your mood outside the workplace. For welfare, you will not always be able to satisfy everyone's needs. You have to learn not to leave yourself for last. Aquarius, your lucky numbers for today are 5, 43, 50, 53, 55, and 58. Pisces, February 19th to March 20th. Certain comments will leave you doubting. Do not act stupid unless you get more information first. For love, today, you and your partner will start the day very well. Try to keep things that way all through the day by leaving messages or calling your partner. For wealth, today will be a day of great satisfaction at work. You will feel inspired and resolve problems as they appear. For welfare, make sure you see problems from different perspectives. This will broaden your views and help you find the best solution. Pisces, your lucky numbers for today are 12, 16, 21, 34, 42, and 59. Always remember, these horoscope readings and predictions were presented just to guide you for the day. We are still the ones who make our own decisions. No matter what fate gives us, it is up to us to make our own destiny. You, make your own destiny. Here is your special prediction. Maria Cristina Balanisip. Your birth date, March 6, 1975, which falls on a Thursday, has its life number at 4. The polarity of your sign is negative and its recognizable characteristics are confident only in own abilities and reserved, while it is considered a feminine sign. You are inherently characterized as someone who is processing things on a deeper level than others, concerned with emotions and feelings, and had the tendency to peacefully resolve a problem quickly. You are going to be put in a great light this weekend, either by your own accomplishments and people recognizing your efforts or just because of chance. Either way, make sure you enjoy your time in the spotlight and that you try and make new connections with certain people that now seem to remark you and want to talk to you. It is going to be quite a mixed views weekend for you, as it seems you will have some interesting discussions with your friends and maybe with your partner in regard to something you really care about. Your lucky numbers should include 3, 4, and 9. While avoid those with the numbers 1, 7, and 8. Red, pink, purple and blue are considered lucky for you. While try to avoid dark brown, white and dark yellow. Maria Cristina, your lucky birthstone is aquamarine. Here is your special prediction. Melissa Surajeo. Your birth date, March 26, 1980, which falls on a Wednesday, has its life number at 2. The polarity of your sign is positive and its observable characteristics are warm and pleasant, while it is categorized as a masculine sign. You are inherently characterized as someone who is focusing own energy on what can be done, often on the lookout for excitement, and is following hard directions. You need to understand that your body has its limits and that you sometimes can't focus as you'd like. You shouldn't let any downside frustrate you, and you should still try to make the best of the weekend. Maybe it's a good moment to ask for help from one of your colleagues and turn around that favor you've done them some time ago. Some sort of situation might occur this weekend and you might find it difficult and highly emotional to deal with it. Your lucky numbers should include 2, 7, and 8. While avoid those with the numbers 1, 5, and 9. Blue, gold, and white are considered lucky for you. While try to avoid gray, red, and black. Melissa, your lucky birthstone is diamond. Here is your special prediction. Angelica Atencio. Your birth date, August 6, 2001, which falls on a Monday, has its life number at 8. The polarity of your sign is positive and its representative characteristics are accommodating and dynamic, while it is considered a masculine sign. You are inherently characterized as someone who is guided by own inner voice, having nearly an endless supply of dedication, and is using own energy towards the manifestation of own dreams. There is some news waiting for you, but it might not be something that refers to you exactly, but more like something that has to do with someone close and will further impact on you too. You need to have trust that whatever is down at the moment will be up again, and that you have the strength to go through anything the close future reserves for you. It is going to be quite an auspicious weekend for you if you keep your eyes open and eliminate any selfishness from your thoughts. Your lucky numbers should include 2, 8, and 9. While avoid those with the numbers 1, 6, and 7. Light yellow, red, and black are considered lucky for you. While try to avoid gold, white, and brown. Angelica, your lucky birthstone is ruby. As for the other special predictions, we have them lined up on our next videos. Please stay tuned for them. We want to thank the following people who are always here for us. If you also want your names be shown, and your shout-outs be heard, just comment what you want to be heard on the comments section. Special thanks to our newest subscribers and commenters. And as always, thank you so much for your continuous support to our videos and channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to always get updated with our newest videos. Again, thank you so much.